Hello and welcome to Wilmington, Delaware. We are arriving on the Acela train to downtown Wilmington, Delaware. Right there. Okay, so here we are. We're on the Acela. We're arriving in downtown Delaware, which is a nice sized city. And I'm going to go across to the other side, look out the windows. There's downtown Delaware. Look over there, big city, and back over to Delaware. Here we are. Delaware. It is spread out. Downtown is spread out from here, this window, across the Acela, and all the way over to the other side. So the downtown is spread out. Look at that nice sized town. Look at this nice sized town, Roger. That Chase Bank is right here, which is my visa is from Chase.
There's also Wilmington, North Carolina.
Much bigger.
Look at this little train station. It's cool.
Here we are. Downtown Delaware, we have stopped. And we are on the Acela train. Let me just give you, this is the seat. You have a table. And on the Acela train, if you're first class, they give you free water. They'll give you a cocktail. They'll give you a glass of wine.
Cheers. What happened to the Perrier?
And they will give you a dinner if you're first class.
They gave us mineral water too.
It doesn't cost extra, so let's look over here. Nothing out that window. So you do get a table
They gave us
for
mineral
3
water. You put it somewhere.
or for 4, which we have a table for 4. Here we are, downtown Delaware.
Damn, I missed the fire appreciation.
Look at that.
When?
September 5th, the county's having a firefighter appreciation. I'm not gonna be there.
So we're on the Acela train, which is a faster train than Amtrak. The Acela train peak speeds at 140 miles an hour. Beautiful downtown Delaware, which is a big metropolis.
Ruffles and ridges.
Got some old buildings on this side. Downtown Delaware. Good sized town. So our next stop will be Philadephia.
Correct.
So Delaware, downtown Delaware is not far from Philadephia, Pennsylvania. And then the next stop after Philly, downtown Philly, Pennsylvania is New York City.
New York City.
Yep, there you go. There's downtown, some more of downtown. You can barely see it. But peaking speeds at 100 to 40 miles an hour on the Acela train. And thank you for watching this video of Delaware. Where is Delaware? Downtown Delaware what?
Downtown Wilmington.
Wilmington, Delaware.
Delaware is a state.
Yes. Wilmington, Delaware.